Choosing the right music for your video can make a huge difference. Here are 5 tips on how to pick the perfect soundtrack. Think about the mood and tone of your video. Is it upbeat and fun, or serious and professional? The music should match and enhance these emotions. Avoid overly complex music that might distract from your message. Instrumental tracks won't compete with your voiceover. Consider your target audience's preference and expectations. Different demographics may respond better to different genres or styles. Choose music that reflects your brand's identity and values. Consistency across your videos can make your content instantly more recognizable. Make sure you have the rights to use the music. There are many sources for high-quality, royalty-free tracks. Ready to add music to your video? Click the link and let us show you how easy it is to do this in SimpleShow Video Maker.